Hello guys, welcome to my channel Mystic Tarot World. Today we are going to do a love reading for Taurus. Let's see what's going to happen for Taurus in the month of September. This reading is a general love reading and it might not resonate with everyone. So just keep that in mind. It is a collective reading for Taurus. Let's see. If you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing my channel. I upload monthly readings over here for all zodiacs and also bonus readings for all the zodiacs, so please consider subscribing my channel. Let's start. Let's see what's happening for Taurus in their love life. What's happening for Taurus in their love life? What's happening for Taurus in their love life? The first card is Three of Pentacles. You might be dealing with another earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. What more do we have? Okay, the Sun card. Wow. What more do we have? Okay, Three of Cups. You might be dealing with Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Two of Wands, Aries, Leo, Sag. The next card is Six of Wands, Aries, Leo, Sag. What more do we have for Taurus? Okay, Eight of Pentacles. And the bottom of the deck is Seven of Swords. So you might be dealing with someone who is a little sneaky. Maybe they are dealing with someone else. Maybe they have someone by their side. Maybe they are in a third party situation. So definitely you are dealing with someone who is into a third party situation, because Three of Cups energy is here. I'm also seeing your person their focus is on another thing, another person, or maybe another situation. They are not focused on you right now. Their focus is on their money, their finances, their career, the people in their life, their friends. So that is what's up with them. What is this Three of Pentacles about? I'm seeing your person is on crossroads. Maybe they want to either choose you or someone else. Ten of Swords clarifying the Three of Pentacles. Definitely I think this person, maybe they are under a lot of pressure. Maybe they have a responsibility of their family. They are burdened, they are pressurized. This person has a lot of pressure onto them. Okay, that is why they are quite not responding you. Maybe in the month of September they are going to still be heavy on their emotions. They're not going to respond you well. They are not going to be open to you. Maybe they might also be dealing with someone else. What is the Three of Cups about, please? What is this Three of Cups about? Is this a third party situation? Okay, the Empress. Maybe they are into a physical attraction with someone. They are physically attracted to someone. They want to, I hope you understand. They want to physically get along with someone. Just a physical attraction, lust. That is why they are focusing on the other person. So what is this Two of Wands about? Okay, Eight of Wands clarifying the Two of Wands. I think they want to tell their truth. They want to communicate something to you. They want to express how they really feel about you. This person wants communication. You can expect swift communication from this person. If you're not talking to this person from a very long time, you can expect them within next 2 weeks. They are going to communicate to you. Within next 8 days, they are going to communicate for you, for some of you. What is this Six of Wands about? But still they are determined that they will find a way. Maybe they are just physically attracted to someone and they will be coming out of this very soon. If they are into a third party situation, they are definitely coming out of it. What is the Six of Wands about, please? Six of Wands. Yeah, Death clarifying the Six of Wands. Maybe they want to end something with someone and get a new brand beginning with you. They want to begin something with you, a new brand cycle. They want to end something with their ex, or maybe the other person they are dealing with. They want to end some things with you and then they are coming back to you. A new cycle is about to begin in your relationship. What is this Death card about, please? What is this Death card about? Yeah, Six of Pentacles clarifying the Death card. I think they were not chasing you. Now they will start chasing you. This person will be chasing you. They will be after you. They will bombard you with calls. They will bombard you with the text. They want you in their life. Okay, so they are feeling left out. Maybe they feel as if you left them in the cold and now they want you back. Okay, they are in this race. What is this Eight of Pentacles? I think this person is also worried about their finances, their career. They want to invest into the relationship too. Okay, they were not investing into the relationship. And they will come to a conclusion that you are their happy place. Okay, what is this Eight of Pentacles about, please? Two cards clarifying the Eight of Pentacles. The first card is Queen of Cups and the second card is Ten of Wands. I told you, they are under some sort of pressure. Maybe they are with someone else. They are tied to some relationships in their life, and they want to close some things out to begin some things with you. Okay, they want a clear relationship with you. That is what they expect, and that is what exactly is going to happen. Okay, what is the Sun card about? What is this good news? You are going to receive some good news in your life. It might be about this person. Maybe they leave the third party situation. What is the Sun card about for Taurus? Yeah, Ten of Cups. I think they know you are their happy place. They feel happy with you. You make them complete. You make them feel complete, and they want stable relationship with you. Now they don't want to be in and out of your life. See, I told you, they were sneaky. They were dating someone else when they were with you. They were cheating you. They were not being real to you, being sneaky towards you. What is the Seven of Swords about, please, for Taurus? What is the Seven of? Okay. Yeah, I told you, it was a physical attraction. Because of the physical attraction, they were with someone else. Okay. Yeah. See, they hurt you real bad, and now they are hurt. They are badly hurt now. Their karma hit them really hard. Yeah. They are hurt too. What more do we have? Nine of Pentacles. They are feeling quite alone, left out. They have everything, but they don't have you. This is the feeling they have right now. They have hurt you real bad. They need to take time for themselves. They need to think. They need to analyze. They have to have that wisdom. They have to make things right now. Okay, what is this Hermit about, please, for Taurus? What's this Hermit about for Taurus? What is this the Hermit about for Taurus? Yeah, the World card. They want to come back to you. They feel as if you're their world. You might be also in a long distance relationship with this specific person. They want balance with you. They want to come back with you. They want reconciliation. They want a new start. See, Ace of Wands. So let's see what oracle messages do we have for Taurus. What oracle message do we have for September for Taurus? First one is new moon in Scorpio. Maybe you're dealing with a Scorpion specifically. Work through your fears. So maybe you're fearing something. You are under this fear, or maybe you are under this some sort of fear lingering on in your life. You need to come out of that. Okay, what more do we have for Taurus? New full moon in Capricorn. Maybe you're dealing with specifically a Capricorn, and the end of a tough cycle approaches. Maybe you're fearing something. Maybe you were fearing something, and that is going to end now. You were fearing of losing this person, or you were fearing that they won't come back. You were fearing they will choose someone else over you. You have to come out of that. Okay, let's see what handwritten advices do we have for Taurus. What messages do we have for Taurus? What messages do we have? The first one is liar. Maybe you're dealing with a narcissist, a liar. Maybe you're dealing with someone who was lying to you in the past, or maybe they are lying to you in the present. Whatsoever the case might be. What more do we have for Taurus? You need to figure out who is the liar in the situation. Okay. Okay, rich family. So maybe they were belonging from a rich family, or you might meet someone who will be belonging to from a very affluent, from a very rich family. Marriage, maybe you're going to get a marriage proposal from a very rich family. Okay, or maybe your person is going to approach you for marriage. 10 of Cups energy was here. What more do we have for Taurus? See, stability. Now they want a stable relationship with you, or maybe you're going to settle down with someone. You're going to settle down with a person who is from a very rich family. Okay, stability. Ego clashes. Maybe you're dealing with someone who has a lot of ego, heavy on their ego. So this was it for Taurus. I hope you liked my reading. If you did, please hit the like button, and if you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing my channel. See you in next video.